What if your daily walk, a habit you trust, is silently robbing you of the strength you need to thrive after 65? It may sound alarming, but emerging science reveals a hidden biological shift. After age 60, muscles enter a state called anabolic resistance, making them less responsive to gentle, repetitive motion like walking. A study in the Journal of Physiology notes that even active older adults can lose 1 to 2% of muscle mass each year. This isn't about effort, it's physiology. I've spoken with countless health-conscious seniors who walk daily, eat well, yet still wrestle with standing up, navigating stairs, or fearing a fall. Their dedication isn't the issue. Their body's needs have evolved. Walking supports cardiovascular health, but it fails to provide the specific stimulus your muscles and nervous system now require. So, what does your body truly need? Movements that communicate urgency and care to your entire musculoskeletal system. It requires a different kind of conversation with your body, one that speaks the language of strength and stability directly to your joints and neural pathways. In this video, I'll share 3 simple, equipment-free exercises inspired by Japanese longevity practices. They're designed to rebuild functional strength, sharpen balance, and take less than 10 minutes daily. Think of this not as adding more to your day, but as changing the quality of the movement you already do. It's about working with your body's current language, not against it. This is a targeted approach to wellness, where every minute spent is an investment with compounding returns for your independence. First, let's understand why walking alone isn't enough. The body is an adaptive machine, and when we only ask it to perform one type of task, it becomes exceptionally efficient at that single task while letting other essential capabilities fade. We must diversify our physical dialogue to maintain a complete, resilient system. Exercise 1. The steady sit. This isn't just a seated hold, it's a profound test of autonomy. The capacity to rise from a chair without arm assistance is a key predictor of independent living. This simple act is a daily benchmark for your functional strength, a moment of truth that reveals the true state of your foundational power. Rooted in Japanese postural principles, this isometric hold targets fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones crucial for power and stability that decline with age. Research indicates that lower body strength, especially in the quads and glutes, is directly tied to maintaining mobility after 70. By engaging in this stillness, you're sending a powerful signal to your physiology that these muscles are still essential. You are essentially reminding your body of its own inherent capacity for strength, breaking through the resistance with deliberate, focused intention. By holding a near-sitting position, you engage deep core stabilizers and reinforce the neural pathways that govern movement. It embodies the Japanese idea of Chisana Chikara, small, consistent force. The beauty is in its simplicity. You are building resilience from the ground up, literally from the soles of your feet to the stability of your spine. This practice cultivates a sense of rootedness and quiet confidence that transfers far beyond the exercise itself. Instructions: position yourself before a sturdy chair. With feet shoulder-width apart, slowly hinge your hips backward as if to sit, stopping just above the seat. Hold for 5 seconds, feeling your thighs and abdomen engage. Press through your heels to stand. Begin with 5 holds of 5 seconds each. Progress to 3 sets, 3 times weekly. Modification. For knee comfort, place a cushion on the chair or lessen your depth. Consistency, not depth, is your goal. Remember, true strength is the quiet accumulation of daily, deliberate acts. This is not a race. It is a ritual of returning to your own power. Exercise 2. The leveraged press. Upper body vitality isn't about lifting mass. It's about preserving your ability to catch yourself, push open a door, or rise from the floor. It's the strength that safeguards your independence in unexpected moments, the practical power that keeps you active in your own life. Adapted from Japanese martial arts drills, this press builds functional chest, shoulder, and tricep strength without joint strain. The American College of Sports Medicine affirms that upper body resistance training enhances mobility and lowers fall risk for older adults. This movement is about creating a protective frame for your body. It strengthens the very architecture that keeps you upright and secure, turning your upper body into a reliable support system for everything you do. Critically, it retrains neuromuscular coordination, the dialogue between brain and muscle that makes everyday motions fluid and automatic. When was the last time you thanked your arms for keeping you upright? This exercise is that thank you note. It reestablishes a connection that daily life can slowly erode, rewiring the communication lines between your mind and your muscles to ensure swift, sure responses when you need them most. Instructions: stand facing a solid counter at hip height. Place hands shoulder-width apart on the edge. Step your feet back to form a straight diagonal line from head to heels. Lower your chest toward the counter over 3 seconds, then press up smoothly. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions for 2 sets, 3 times per week. Modification: adjust intensity by moving your feet closer or farther. Prioritize control and mindful breathing. Each press is a reaffirmation of your own capability. Feel the integration through your core as you move, connecting your upper body strength to your central stability. Exercise 3. The guided step. Back. This movement addresses a vital blind spot, recovering balance when you're thrown off center. Most dangerous falls happen backward or sideways, yet we seldom train for them. This exercise prepares you for the real-world stumbles, equipping your body with the learned intelligence to recover gracefully and safely. Influenced by Japanese Ushiro Ashi stepping, this exercise strengthens the posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, calves, and hones proprioception, your body's internal GPS. The CDC highlights falls as a leading cause of injury-related death among older Americans. Training this motion is a direct investment in your own safety and confidence. You are programming your nervous system with a blueprint for stability, teaching it how to find equilibrium no matter the direction of a disturbance. Training backward motion cultivates a resilient, adaptive nervous system. It reflects a principle of nagare, flowing with circumstance rather than resisting it. As the saying goes, balance is the body's silent wisdom, earned through mindful practice. You are not just stepping back, you are teaching your body to find equilibrium, no matter what direction life leans. This cultivates a profound sense of physical poise that translates into mental and emotional calm. Instructions: stand beside a chair, one hand lightly on it for support. Step one foot directly backward, lowering your hips slightly by bending your front knee. Pause for 2 seconds, then return. Complete 6 repetitions per leg for 2 rounds, 2 to 3 times weekly. Modification: lower only to a comfortable height. Focus on slow, controlled transitions. The goal is mindful mastery, not depth. Pay close attention to the subtle engagement in your standing leg and core. This is where true balance is governed.
Safety and integration. Consult your doctor before starting if you have recent surgeries, severe arthritis, dizziness, or neurological conditions. For all others, remember, use support always. Begin with few reps. Value form over speed, and distinguish between mild discomfort and pain. Listen to your body's whispers so you never have to hear its screams. This practice is a partnership with your physiology, not a confrontation. You are not late, you are laying a new foundation. Each intentional movement is an investment in your future autonomy. This is about sustainable progress, built one conscious repetition at a time. Celebrate the start, not just the finish line, because every single day you choose to engage is a victory for your long-term vitality.
Closing and call to action vitality after 65 isn't born from harsh gym sessions, but from smart, consistent gestures that respect your body's wisdom. These 3 exercises, backed by science and tradition, can reignite your strength and confidence in minutes a day. They are a practical philosophy for living well, translated into movement. Together, they form a complete circuit that addresses strength, stability, and the intelligent connection between mind and muscle. I invite you to take the first step today. Comment, "I'm rebuilding" below. I read every single message and cheer you on. Your commitment inspires this entire community. Share your experience, your questions, or even your hesitation. This is a space for honest beginnings. If this resonated with you, please like this video and subscribe to Winds of Thought for more guides on aging with power and grace. Your support helps us create content that empowers lives. It tells us what matters to you. On your screen now, another video appears exploring gentle morning rituals from longevity hotspots worldwide. Remember, progress asks not for perfection, but for your gentle, persistent start. The journey of 1,000 days begins with a single steady movement. You have everything you need to begin, right here, right now. Your strength is waiting to be rediscovered.